Hey everyone, I'm just wearing this so you can see what it looks like, but I got a big head. So, yeah, I'll pass out. But that's the Elmo headband. And Walmart said add to cart. I put the entire collection in the cart. And every time you try to check out, it says unavailable. So, okay. There's a cute little mirror. You gotta peel it, of course. I love cookies. I don't know how many of these they're gonna make. This is something I don't use very often. But it's cute. It's blue and then it has Cookie Monster. Where is it? Yeah, okay, it's on both sides. Okay. Lip scrub. Oh, yeah. It's the Cookie Monster lip scrub. And you can feel the scrape. And you can feel the the cookie taste. I'll put, since my lips are already moisturized with that, I'll use this later. Won't be using this right now. I usually put this in a jar with a moisturizer mixed with sunscreen. Yeah, so that's what I'll be using this for. I think that's Chloe. When I was growing up, and even when my daughter was growing up, I don't think she was a part of it yet. I think this was more like when my kids were small. So I want to start out with this pencil. So I have been to maybe 10 Walmarts, and yeah, I couldn't find it. I'm doing the blue one, which is Cookie Monster. And yeah, they didn't have it. And then it finally became available at Walmart.com, and since I couldn't find it, I went and ordered everything except for the headband on Walmart.com. Alright, let's do blue. Let's go with Cookie Monster. I went ahead and ordered it from Walmart.com, but I couldn't get that one thing, the headband. So I still, kept checking Ulta and Amazon. I think that this might be a Walmart exclusive, kind of like the Fantasy Makers. But even the Fantasy Makers, some of it was on Ulta and Amazon. But yeah, this still hasn't been announced. Wet n Wild finally put out all of their products, including the Lock Shine or something, Lock and Shine. Yeah, it looks like the only color dark enough to be in the contour, so let's do that. So I was like, man, where am I gonna get the rest of this from? And my son, I was gonna do a video on Thursday, but my son had unexpectedly, we made an appointment for him because he got his what they found was polyps, and they were non-cancerous, and they removed them, and they really still don't know why he's in so much pain, except that to say that it's stress related. So I made an appointment for him. All right. I was gonna take this, but I think this is a better highlight color right here. Oh yeah, that's nice. So they gave me the appointment for that Thursday. I called on Wednesday. That's also when it became available at Walmart.com to get the Wet n Wild Sesame Street collection. So, I decided on my way home. I'm looking for the new summer collections from Dollar General. They're called Scent Happy. I missed the fall of the holiday collections, and I didn't want to miss the summer ones, so I was like, yeah, let me just go to the Walmart, see if by any chance they have the collection so I could get the headbands, and go to Dollar General, and there it was. And it was there. Isn't this adorable? Oscar the Grouch, which I don't like to use them. I think they're more like for displaying rather than using. And Oscar's little trash can, just in case, because Walmart is terrible at protecting shadows and stuff. I bought this and the eyeshadow palette just in case, and then I couldn't return it if it didn't, and it surprisingly came unscathed. So one of the things I noticed about this, though, I have to say it's a little weird because this is just a bronzer palette with a highlighter, and this is a blusher palette with a highlighter. So you can't really just choose unless you don't like bronzer or blush, then you would just get one. But I expected it to be bronzer, blush, highlighter, but that's not what they did. I'm gonna use the pink with the blue. Oh no, I'll do the orange. The peach. That's the color here. Just so you can get an idea. So I'm going to finish my eye makeup, clean up, and then I will come back on to continue to use the rest of the items. So yeah, I got everything. I didn't do a video on Friday because they were saying it wasn't going to be here till the weekend, and then it was coming on Friday, and I'm waiting all day, and I got a message that I had a package. I go running out there. I was already exhausted from being out all day Thursday, doing groceries at night. And I go running out to get the packages, and it's something I didn't even order, so that's an issue. So it was charged and everything. So I'm just sitting here waiting all day for my package to come, and it didn't come till I don't know, maybe 3 something. So I would have tried to do a video on Friday, but that's why I'm here today on Monday. So anyway, let me just do my eyes, clean up, and I'll come back. Since Wet n Wild didn't announce this, I don't know what flavor this is, but I might be like a berry flavor. I usually don't like berry flavors, but this was pretty good. Yeah, it just says lip mask, save the day lip mask. It's pretty thick, it left like a blue tint on my lips. And it's got Grover. Okay. So again, I'm using the warm colored blush. Pretty sure the names are here, but I don't have my glasses on, so I can't read it. I'm going to use the lighter bronzer for my nose. Then I'm gonna use the darker one for my chin. I noticed though, it got a lot of blue. I keep trying to clean all the blue off my face. Okay, let's do this here. I want to make this for dinner, Mars, okay? Sure, what is that?
Leftover dinner.
Okay.
It was actually really good.
I like that. It's not too dark. And then I'm going to use this highlighter. I mean, I already used concealer, but this is how I like to do it. Just to let you guys know, they opened up like 4 shop. I call it Shop Mercedes because it's shopmercedes.com, but they opened up one, I think, I don't know if it was out in Katy, but it is a pretty far. They're like about an hour away. And then they opened up another one. And then that's where I went for my birthday. They opened up one near me. And I wanted to check it out. And it's like a dollar store for makeup. Boy, was it crowded. Like powder went in my eye or something. And I got this. Everything there's between $1 and $2. But that's where I went for my birthday. Now I'll do the highlighter. In case I forgot, I did this off camera, but I used that blue glitter there for my inner corners, and I'm going to take a tiny bit because I don't want to get it in my eyes, and put it underneath. Now I'm going to take the powder. It's banana powder, so it's probably going to give my skin like a yellowish tint. Let's see. I just really hope that I don't look yellow again. Here we go. Okay. Let's see. Alright, this one doesn't have any sparkle. But this is Count on Me 5-in-1. Oh wow, that's strong. So, like I was saying, I'm gonna put my mirror on. So I had to go through the packages, make sure everything, because I did it in 2 orders, and I had to go through them to make sure I got everything. And after I got it, there was an item missing. So I called them up, and I was like, you know, you got to resend this to me. And they said, like, most of the stuff is sold out already. Like, from the moment it became available, it, like, sold out. So I had to rush back out to the store. They had just put up the display the day before. Maybe one thing might have been taken from the display. So I had to rush out there. This is the lip oil. Okay, I think it's a... Yeah, it might also be a berry. It's a little minty though. I don't like that. Alright, this lipstick is more of a red-orange. Wow. There's a hole in this lipstick. I just noticed. It's in the corner. Unbelievable. What is that? Are we getting another Jaclyn Hill incident coming up here? I'm not into red oranges, so this from I've seen the Aesthetic Edge use it, and it was really pigmented, but because I put the oil first, it softens it out a lot. Again, I'm not into red oranges, but this isn't bad. It looks like it's got gold shimmer to it again. I'm using, I think this is Zoe. It said Happy to Be Me. It's more of their neutrally shimmer, but I think the shimmer's pink because it looked pink when I swatched it. Pretty. That is very pretty. So the rest of the stuff, it comes with more lip colors, 2 more pencils. It comes with the jewels, body tattoos, and eyelashes. I was exhausted from already going out to get the mail, and it was something else. And then I had to run back out to the store to get the eyelashes. I was so scared that it was already going to sell out. Because, I mean, we all grew up with Sesame Street. Some people, they like collector stuff. Some people buy a bunch so they could sell it for, 10 times the price on eBay. And so I had to rush out. I was exhausted on Friday. So I said, I spent Saturday doing swatches. And, okay. And I said I would do my video today. Because I put this in, it's this African violet, which really is indigo, over the orchid purple. It's fading out to a softer purple, like instead of fading out to a blue. So that's good. So yeah.